Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking just a little bit about champagne vinegar. It has a mild flavor. It's made from slightly dry white wine, made from the same grapes as champagne. Note that champagne vinegar is only made in the Champagne region of France. Best uses for champagne vinegar would be using it like any white wine vinegar. It's especially good though on citrus salads and in marinades and in sauces. Now if you have food sensitivities, champagne vinegar would be naturally gluten-free. Should be no problem there. If you're sensitive to sulfites, any type of vinegar made from wine will have naturally occurring sulfites in there. It will probably not have added sulfites, but it is important for you to check the label and be sure just in case. If you have any questions about champagne vinegar, do let me know in the comments section. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.